Yeah, we're going to the bathroom. Tornado warning for us.
Northeastern Indiana, southern Adams County, and northeastern Indiana, northern
Reportedly,
County until 6:30 p.m. Eastern
they
Daylight
just
Time.
pushed it. The Weather
At
Channel says it's
5:44
for us.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a tornado was reported in Delaware County, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour.
That's gonna go just east of us.
A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters.
That doesn't include us. False
Flying
alarm.
debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be
Yeah,
damaged.
but Shamrock Lakes is right there. So just outside of the warning.
We're in the warning.
No, we're just
Damage
outside
is
of it.
likely. The tornado will be near Dunkirk around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Penville around 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Geneva around 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by tornadic
Seriously.
Salon, Mill Grove, Petroleum, Lynn Grove, and Domestic. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move
Boy,
to the
this
closest
escalated
substantial shelter
quickly.
and protect yourself from flying
The
debris.
thunderstorm advisories information of
Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford and Jay. A tornado warning remains in effect until